Hi, my name is Luwayo Biswick. Just want to show you how we look after our animals. We take care of the animals as our children, and they are used to us. They're not afraid of us, anyways. So these are the vegetables that we grow ourselves, and we harvest some of these vegetables and we feed to the animals. So these targets, they love vegetables. This is rep. You can give them local vegetables, no problem, but you can see how they love them. This is how Adam and Eve lived in paradise. They lived in harmony with animals. Today, you don't see people living in harmony with animals. When the animals see them, they run away. But here, you can give them food. You can take care of them. You can live close to them. Yeah, just living in harmony with them as we live in harmony with others. So this is good design. This is one way to live in harmony with animals as our ancestors lived. Thank you very much.